Welcome back. Anjuna police on Wednesday midnight seized illegal narcotic drugs worth 1,30,000. A South African national, Tony Michael, was arrested with 18 grams cocaine at Assagao Siolim route. He is currently in police custody. Meanwhile, Roy Fernandez from Anjuna has filed a complaint with Anjuna police against Congress spokesperson Sudip Tamankar. Tony Michael was arrested with white powder cocaine of 18 grams. This illegal narcotic drug is worth 1,30,000 rupees. Anjuna police laid a trap on Wednesday night and caught him red-handed at Assagao Siolim route.
Personal search केली त्याची ते नाव आपले सांगले टोनी मायकल म्हणून एज अराउंड 36 years old, साउथ आफ्रिकन नॅशनल तो आणि प्रेझेंटली आरंबोल रावता म्हणून तो एक्चुअली पहिली तो कलांगूट रावतालो आता सध्या आरंबोल रावता म्हणून सांगला ताणें आणि त्याचे कडच्यान आमी इल्लीगल 18 grams नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स सस्पेक्टेड टू बी कोकेन वो आमी सीज केला आणि तेजे अराउंड कॉस्ट हा 1,30,000 अराउंड. Presently he is in our custody and further investigation is going on.
Meanwhile, one Roy Fernandez has filed a complaint against Sudip Tamankar for defaming him. Sudip Tamankar was summoned by Anjuna police. However, Tamankar has still not reported to the police station.
Under section 499, 500, 505 bar into bracket 2, 501 of Indian Penal Code, stating that ki तेणे आपले सुदीप तामणकर या मनशान जो काँग्रेसी स्पोकमॅन हा तेणे आपल्याक ड्रग ट्रॅफिकर म्हटलो कांय एविडन्स नासतना आनी हांव एक कॅथलीक कम्युनिटीचो आसून आमचे भितर एक हेट्रेड तयार केलो आनी आपल्याक डिफेम केलो म्हणून ही कंप्लेन तेणे दिल्ली आहा.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. Fatarda MLA Vijay Desai has amplified his agitation against Mopa Airport by forming an organization which will exclusively work for the survival of Dabuli Airport. The organization has been named as Goinkar and a 25-member steering committee has also been formed. Advocate Iris Rodriguez, Advocate John Montero, a leader of agitation against Mopa, Sandeep Kamble and various other leaders have joined hands with Vijay, including some candidates of the previous assembly election.
There was an ultimatum given by me to the state government to arrange for parking land there before the 31st of December. The government has paid no hint to this matter. There was speculation even in the newspapers why we are quiet. So we decided that all like-minded Goans who are keen that the interest of Goans in Goa is protected come together under a new social forum, a non-political forum. So we have come together and we have formed a forum called Goinkar to do away with the plan of the state government to have an indirect merger of Goa into Maharashtra by tendering the Mopa airport and by strangulating and closing down the Dabuli airport. And we will organize a public meeting on the 15th, which is the eve of the opinion poll anniversary at Loya Maidan in Margaon.
म्हणजे पब्लिक मीटिंगूच घेतले काय कायद्याच्या नजरेन तांकां सरकाराक हे करपाक ट्राय करता.
पयली पब्लिक मिटींग घेवन सरकाराचे दोळे उगडे जाता काय ना, सरकार न्हिदला ते उठता काय ना हे चॅक करता. हातूनय जर जायना जाल्यार आनी खूब लोकशायेंत हें आहा तातूंत सरकार न्हिदला ताका जागे करूंक शकता.
Colgate-Palmolive Employees Union has now threatened of severe agitation if their suspended colleague does not get justice. They were agitated as the management could not remain present for the hearing on Thursday at the Labour Court. They have also asked government to intervene in the matter.
आम्ही जसे हांगासर येयले सेकंड मिटिंगासाठी तेन्ना लेबर कमिशनान कितें केलें की आपण सीएमा कडेन आसा अशें म्हणून सांगलें आनी दुसरे जे असले मॅनेजमेंट असले तेंच्यानी आमकां लेबर कमिशनाच्या ऑफिसान येवपाक भंय दिसता अशें म्हणून सांगलें. म्हणजे पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर ते डिस्कस तयार करपाक ना, कंपनीन डिस्कस तयार करपाक ना, डिस्कशन करपाक तयार ना. पणजेन आमी एखाद्या हॉटेलान मेळप ठरले थंय ते मेळपाक तयार ना आनी लेबर कमिशनराच्या ऑफिसान आतां तांकां भंय दिसपाक लागलो जाल्यार सरकार जे आसा न्ही, जशें सरकार हे सरकाराची जी म्हणजे नामुष्की आसा पळय त्या नामुष्केचेर हे बोट दवरता तेन्ना सरकारान ह्या प्रकरणाची जी आसा पळय ती योग्य ती दखल घेवची. आता हो जो प्रकरण एकंदर जाल्लें आसा ते प्रकरणान सुरवात जाल्ली आसा की आमचो जो प्रदीप गांवकर जो आसा युनियन ऑफिस बेरर त्याच्या मानवी अधिकारांचे जो आसा पळय तेचे घावे घातलेले आसा, उल्लंघन जाल्लेलें आसा आणि ताका आर्बिट्ररिली मनमानी पद्दतीचेन त्याच्या पद्दतीन ताका जो सस्पेन्शनचे लेटर जे आलेले आसा पळय ते जर काडले जाल्यार प्रश्न सॉल्व जाता. पण मॅनेजमेंट इज नॉट एट ऑल टेकिंग दिस इंटरेस्ट. ऑन द अदर एंड थ्रेटनिंग द वर्कमॅन to this not to pay them, threatening the workmen to use a police force, threatening the workmen to close a company. आम्ही अहिंसक आसा, आम्ही हिंसा करिना. याचा कोण तरी समज जर वेगळो अर्थ काडटा न्ही जाल्यार वी आर व्हेरी सॉरी. इफ समथिंग untoward incidents take place because somebody else is taking the opportunity of it, then we will be helpless. Then government cannot blame the workmen and their unions.
The video journalist Omkar Fayari for Prudent.
The Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services is awaiting government's policy decision on recruiting women firefighters in the services. It is a long-pending matter. Director Ashok Menon, while briefing the media on its annual activity report on Thursday, stressed the need for women firefighters in the state services.
The Director of Fire Services has urged the citizens to post their suggestions on www.goadfes.gov.in. Directorate also provides e-services which the citizens can avail. Women firefighters in the state services is a long-pending demand.
The policy decision need to be taken at the government level to induct women firefighters. But we are trying hard to get the recruitment rules done first. The RR need to be done, and then vis-a-vis the post need to be earmarked. Number of posts for women. That also I think government will. It is pending for quite some time.
Government has recently sanctioned 2 fire stations at Porvorim and Bicholi.
The government has approved fire stations in Bicholim area and also in the upcoming urban area of Porvorim.
Although Fire Services Department is not a revenue earning department, it has earned revenue of almost 55 lakhs during the calendar year 2012 through miscellaneous services.
The revenue for this financial year as of from April to Jan, we have touched 55 lakhs. We have collected a lot of revenue from training, license fees, standby duties and many other NOCs. So these are our revenue earning.
A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.